Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, and I'm going to be showing you guys some tricks and some easy ways to do your eyebrows, because I know it's not a fucking walk in the park to do your brows. So if you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows, then please keep on watching. So to start doing your eyebrows, you're going to need an angle brush, right, like this one. Mine's from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and 7B. So then I'm gonna brush my brow. Oh, and make sure, like, this is how I do my eyebrows, but like people do it differently. I grab like I was saying, I grab a razor blade and I just take off the little hairs at the bottom of my brow. Back to the brows, we're gonna be grabbing the pomade and just go like this a little bit, because it's pigmented, like really fucking pigmented. So I'm gonna start in the bottom and just like follow your shape. So you guys can see, like, I have no brow but I still have a shape, so I'm just gonna be following the shape. When I get closer to like the front, I'm gonna go in slowly, cause like it makes your eyebrow look more natural. So I'm just gonna go in slowly. Okay, so now that I have my shape in the bottom, I'm gonna grab more and I'm gonna be filling it in before I go on top. So like this. I usually have more struggle doing my left eyebrow than my right eyebrow. I'm sure everyone has that one fucking brow that just doesn't want to fucking cooperate with your shape. But anyways, so as I'm getting in the front again, I'm just gonna be blending it with the brush. So now that you have your brow done like this, you're gonna grab more product. You're gonna do the top. Now I feel like it's more easier that way, doing the top, because now you know like the shape. So you're just gonna be filling it in a little bit, if that makes sense. Oh, like giving it definition pretty much, because you already filled in the eyebrow, so all you're gonna do is add more definition. There you go. So I'm just gonna be filling it in. I'm gonna be grabbing concealer. Of course, you guys already know which one I'm gonna be using. Is the Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. I know it's like really beat up. It still has product in there, I swear it does. You just have to. Okay, so you guys already know what I'm going to do. Make sure you follow the shape. This makes like such big difference in your eyebrows. I used to skip this step. Now I do it all the time. Alright, so usually people like use concealer to do their shape on top, but I don't like that. I usually I use my foundation to do the top, because I feel like it looks lighter, and then your forehead, like, since it has foundation, it looks like dark and light, and I don't like it, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm gonna be grabbing it again with the same brush, and I'm gonna be shaping my eyebrow from the top like this. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys want to keep watching my videos, then subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video.